Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on the logic behind the 2 eyes program to use 2 ultrasonic sensors to sense the opponent robot. So in this challenge, instead of having 1 ultrasonic sensor, I now have 2. One on the left, plugged to port 3, one on the right, plugged to port 2. There are 4 possible situations. Either A happens, where neither sensor sees anything. What you're going to do is you want to go forward at 50 power. Situation B, where the ultrasonic sensor on the left is seeing something, you want to turn left. Situation C, where both sensors are seeing the same thing in front, therefore you're directly in front of the opponent, go straight at 100 power and attack. And finally, D, if you're to the right, only the right ultrasonic sensor sees you, and therefore you want to turn right. So how do we write a program that converts these 4 options into reality? So the first thing I'm going to do is set a variable. I'm going to call it C, and I'm going to set it to 0. The next thing I'm going to do is introduce a switch, where I'm asking the ultrasonic sensor on the right, are you less than 30 centimeters? Basically, is there anything on the right side? If there is, add 1 to C. Then I'm going to go and ask the left side, do you see anything less than 30 centimeters? If so, add another 1 to C. So you have 3 options. If C equals nothing, then there's nothing in front of you. If C equals 1, then something is on one side of the robot. You don't know which one, but something is definitely on one side, so you'll be turning. And finally, if C equals 2, they both see something, therefore go and attack. Then we ask the robot a series of questions. First question, is C equal 2? Basically, is something directly in front of the robot? If yes, go forward at 100 power. If not, ask a second question. Does C equal 1? If C equals 1, therefore the opponent is on one side of the robot. We're going to do a mathematical calculation. Ultrasonic right versus ultrasonic left. This is going to give us a negative or positive number because the opponent is on one side of our robot. If the value is more than 0, we're going to turn left. If it's less than 0, we're going to turn right. I'll go over why this is later. If it does not see 1, then obviously it sees 0. You're going to go at forward at 50 power because you're not seeing anything. So why this? Let's take a look at 2 situations that will help explain it. If your opponent is over here, the left ultrasonic sensor will return a low value of 20. The right ultrasonic sensor will return a large value, like 150 to 200. Therefore, if I subtract right from left, I'm going to get a value of 130. That's a positive value. It is greater than 0. Therefore, I want to turn left. If my object is on the right side, the right ultrasonic sensor will return a smaller value, the left a larger value. If you do right minus left, this time you will get negative 130, a negative number. Therefore, if the value is less than 0, you want to turn right. If you're returning 2 small values, C will equal 2, you will go forward at 100 power. So I hope that this video has provided you with a good understanding of the logic behind the 2 eyes program. Thank you very much.